What is up, everyone? And this is the start of the turning a YouTube channel into a cash cow automation channel challenge part 1. So with that being said, I've been away for quite some time now. I've been traveling overseas, haven't posted in a month, but I'm back at it. Not necessarily back at it, but more so I'm slowly getting back into the YouTube grind. I've been working my YouTube channels constantly, but what I've decided to do now is I think one of the best ways to help people is to kind of teach by example. So I'm starting this turning a YouTube channel into a cash cow automation channel challenge, and this is the first part of a multiple video series. I haven't decided how long this video series is going to last. This channel, I'll be laying the establishments of the challenge and the criteria that it's going to involve in order to kind of hopefully relate to most people who are getting into the cash cow automation YouTube pathway. So first off, a little about me. February 2020 is when YouTube completely skyrocketed for me and completely changed my life. And then throughout 2020 and 2021, I basically aim every day to kind of perfect my craft here on YouTube. I'm an absolute YouTube nerd and I do it full time now. So I never used my medical degree and I do travel a lot and I work a crap ton, but I love every bit of it. And family and friends are most important to me. And right now I currently run a very small YouTubers growth group helping people grow on YouTube through faceless channels. So you can learn more about that in the link in the description. So about the challenge, and you're definitely going to want to hear this because maybe it might interest you. So make sure to subscribe and turn on the notification bell for updates on the challenge and new videos every week. With this challenge, I'm going to be choosing one individual from my community group to work hand in hand with to help grow their channel. And what I'm going to be doing is that we're going to be documenting the journey for the public to see. Their channel will be revealed as well, and also any back-end costs and analytics. So first off question, why am I not doing this for my own benefit? Why am I not doing this for myself? So I'll be honest, I've got so much on my hands right now that I cannot really focus on managing a team right now and also manage a channel from the ground up. It's gonna take a lot of time, so I kind of see it like I need help in that way. So if you're someone who's willing to put in the hard work and relay to a team the adjustments that I'm recommending that we make on the channel, then this is perfect for you. The challenge, it's gonna involve either a dead channel, so a channel that you've already been posting on, I'd be glad to work with, or a completely brand new channel starting from the ground up, 0 subs, brand new, I'd also be happy to work with. You'll see the strategies we use, the thought process behind certain titles, how much money is being spent, how much money is being made, the thumbnails, the topics, everything I'm going to be talking about on why we do things. 100% of the revenue is definitely going to be yours, and I'm hoping to have the individual chosen by next Monday. So with that being said, again, I'm going to be choosing one individual from my community group to work hand in hand with. We'll be in direct contact with each other. I'm going to be teaching you how to find people, how to grow your own team, kind of like the budget limit as to, let's try and get video costs under this amount. I'm going to be telling you how to start the videos, how the scriptwriter should be writing, how the voiceover should be sounding, how the video should be edited. Everything that I know, I'm going to be relaying to an individual in order to get them to run a successful channel. So as I've said before, I run a very small community growth group, but I feel like not enough people are taking advantage of it. So I thought that this would be a cool thing to share with the public to kind of entice people like, hey, this is how you do YouTube, and if you're interested in learning, just simply watch this video. It's completely free. You don't have to pay for anything in order to be up to date with this video series that we're about to launch. And so with that being said, if you're interested in being a part of it, do consider joining my community group. But another way you can be a part of it is just to simply subscribe to the channel and turn on the notification bell, because we're going to be going over very particular things that people really aren't aware of. And with those things, you can apply it to your own channel and grow that channel yourself. You can apply it to let's pretend that you're a film channel. This stuff that you'll be learning can still be applied to a film or faceless channel. I'm very interested to see who I end up choosing. It's going to be based on a few criteria. Obviously, I want that channel to be either a quote-unquote dead channel or a brand new channel. Ideally, I haven't decided which one yet. The idea with the channel though is to start from the ground and then work our way upwards. So the goal would be to make like $10,000 per month. So with that being said, that's all I have for this video, everyone. If you're interested in joining, do check out my community group. The link is down below in the description. But if not, another way you can participate is to simply subscribe and turn on the notification bell for when I do release update videos. I'm going to be starting to post more on this channel every week. Yeah, with that being said, hope everyone is having a good day, and I'll see you all in the next video. Take care.